All right, the busy number one. So we're on Dixon, coming out onto South Parallel. We're headed for that brand new Chevron. Yes, and it's rush hour, so it's gonna be busy as fuck. And there's another motorcycle person there. Isn't that nice? Maybe we'll be best friends. Maybe he'll come and talk to me and we can talk more about motorcycles and be best friends. I'd rather not. Oh, Jesus. Oh, you're so cool, you don't even have to get off your fucking bike to fuel it up? I can do the same, man. Good. Let's go with the fucking super duper Supremo. You guys want to know something? Here's why you don't sit on your motorcycle when you're filling it with gas, like Mr. Cool over there. If some heavy shit goes down at the gas station, you want to be able to fuck off as soon as you can on foot. So what do I mean by that? What does that mean? Some heavy shit? That means if a fire starts, or if you spill gas, if the nozzle fucks up and you spill gas, you don't want to spill gas all over your crotch, do you? All over your genitals? I bet you don't. Hi. No, you don't. And if you're a female, I'm pretty sure you don't want gas getting into your vagina. Are you going to be able to pass there, big boy? You, big boy? Yeah, guess what? You can go. Wah, wah, wah. Get off your fucking motorcycle when you're putting gas in it, you fucking lazy dumbass. Same goes when you pull up to a stop sign. Have I ranted about this one? The proper way to wait at a stop or a light, anywhere where you have to stop your motorcycle, you only put down your left foot, okay? You make sure your motorcycle's in first gear, you pull in the clutch, you use your right foot to engage your rear brake, and that's how you sit, one leg down. That's it. You don't pop it into neutral and straddle your bike with both feet on the ground and hang out and look cool. And why is that, Mr. Weimer? Tell us again. The same reason. If some heavy shit goes down, you want to be able to fuck off. Okay? If you stop at a stop properly and the shit goes down, you'll be able to fuck off properly. And proper quick. Oh, here's another one. Unless you are riding in a group, or with a group, in a group, if you're in the lead, you take the defensive lane position. What's that, Mr. Weimer? Well, motherfucker, I'm glad you asked. It's the lane I'm traveling in right now. Yes, next to the middle lane. Now, there just so happens to be a motorcycle guy behind me. We don't know each other, but he is riding in the staggered road position, which means he's next to the shoulder. So that's how you ride. You alternate defensive lane, shoulder lane, and you alternate through the group. Okay? Riding in this defensive lane makes you more visible to oncoming and passing traffic. Yeah, it does. You don't ride in the middle of the lane. I was going to say road. The middle of the road is this yellow line. The middle of the lane. You don't ride your motorcycle in the middle of the lane. Why is that, Mr. Weimer? Well, because, dumbass, that's where all the fucking road debris is. That's where all the oil slicks and drippings and antifreeze drippings are and everything. It's all in the middle of the lane waiting for you. So, if it gets a little wet, it's super dangerous. Plus, you lower your chance of being seen to other motorists. See, I don't know if you noticed. There's an orange truck in front of me, yeah? Well, there happens to be, and I can see this because I'm on my own motorcycle. There's a guy on a white motorcycle in front of him. But you wouldn't be able to see that if you were in a car. Maybe in a truck, but in a car. And he's riding in the middle of the lane, the garbage lane, because he's a fucking dimwit. Now, if I wanted to pass this orange truck, I'd pull out to pass him, and whammo, uh-oh, there's a fucking motorcyclist there that I didn't see, because he wasn't riding in the defensive lane position. I thought I said I was done. He is now, but he's been off and on. But you can see, he goes from being visible to invisible, like right now. See the sludge lane? Can you see it on this camera? Or is the perspective wrong? Anyways, I'm gonna shut the fuck up. We're almost home now. What is this thing? Is that a fucking Ferrari? You're a dude. That's what you are, is a fucking dude. No, it's a Maserati. Another cool guy. Yo. It's all you there, Grampy. It's all you, Grampy. I think I startled him. It's probably because I'm a fucking super cool guy and he wasn't prepared to bask in the glory of my fucking awesomeness. And on that note, I'm gonna shut this fucker off. Oh gosh, I'm swearing a lot. Are you guys out walking your dogs? That's nice. Oh, I didn't even notice you there. Sorry about that. Bye everyone.